Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Japan's weather agency has warned of a very dangerous typhoon heading towards the country's southern Kyushu island, urging residents to evacuate before powerful wind hits the area. Japan's weather agency warned on Saturday of unprecedented risks from a very dangerous typhoon heading towards the southern Kyushu island, urging residents to take shelter ahead of the storm. Typhoon Nanmadol was producing gusts of up to 270 kilometers an hour and was classified as a violent storm, the agency's top level, on Saturday. By late afternoon, it was approaching the remote Minami-Daito Island, 400 kilometers east of Okinawa Island. A total of 330,000 people in Kagoshima have been evacuated, and authorities are urging people to move to shelters or alternative accommodation before top-level calls are issued. Japan is currently in typhoon season and is hit by about 20 such storms a year, routinely seeing heavy rains that cause landslides or flash floods. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.